people and alien out there. Evening time, sun and set, so colour weight of colour there. You know what I mean? Sun and set there, sun give the colour there, you see me? The sun and set there. The colour the way it give. Yeah man. All the blessings man, you see me? I see the nightly girl today. What if I choose them and tell us today I'm not really independence? Because I'm independence every time though. But fuck independence, we never have independence yet. So fuck that. It's a natural day though. Can hear the birds breeze. Foul them, you know what I mean? Yeah, so just another day and another dawn though. Yeah man. Blessings.